Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today often issues is this one: antivirus software and the firewall settings. Or even if you are use the AMD installation, AMD tool auto update, you have to make sure your connection is good. So if you cut the connection, the installation will be terminated. So here, please make sure you're running the latest version of AMD Auto Detect and install tool, this one, or full AMD driver package, which can be found in here. So you can download manually without the AMD tool. Here you can choose your graphic card, for example the RX 700 series, submit. Then this is based on Windows 11 version, and you can download manually, install manually without the AMD tools. And you have to check your antivirus. I recommend you to turn off your antivirus software and also allow firewall to allow traffic with AMD server here. So you can go to the firewall setting on your PC, and here please click on allow an app through firewall. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.